Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the channel Invest with HK. Today I'm going to teach you guys how you can invest in real estate in Dubai. और आज मैं आपको live investing करके भी दिखाऊंगा, ठीक है? तो bear with me and watch the full video. So this is my account as you guys can see on the screen. First of all, I'm already logged into my account. I just went to getstake.com and logged into my account. Or at the very moment, these are 4 properties in which you can invest right now. Or let me just show you guys my portfolio. First of all, I'm going to let you know how much I have invested previously and how much the rent I've gotten in the past previous month. So this is the property I have invested before. 27 नवंबर को ये फंड हुई थी कंप्लीट और इसकी उस वक्त वैल्यू थी 2.18 मिलियन एंड अभी इसकी 2.2 एग्जैक्ट यानी कि वैल्यूएशन है. और वैल्यूएशन में अब यानी कि मुझे वो भी अप्रिसिएशन मिला, ठीक है, और इसके अलावा मुझे रेंट भी मिला. वो मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको मुझे कितना रेंट मिला. So these are the rewards I have got, and people, they do. I also refer people, so they have registered. Two of the people are already registered with my referral link. So this is the reward. Not reward. This is the rent I've gotten in the past month. 8 dirham and 96 cents in the investment of just 2,000. So let me show you how much I have invested here. So in this property I have invested for 2,000 as you guys can see on the screen. और उससे मुझे 9.84 appreciation मिला, like 0.49%. और उसके अलावा मुझे उसका रेंट जो रिसीव हुआ वो 8 dirhams and 8.96 dirham. और अभी at this very moment in this video I'm going to invest 6,000. Okay, as I said in the previous video, I'm going to go aggressive now in the investment in stake. So let me just show you how I invested and what I look for the property so I can invest in that. So okay, so first of all, this property DIFC, it's a financial center. So this property is very near to Burj Khalifa. And previously, I was thinking of investing in this one, but now I am thinking on investing in this one because it is very near to Burj Khalifa, and this one is, it's almost like 13 or 14 kilometers away from Burj Khalifa. So इसलिए at this very moment, I'm going to go with this property. I think I have shown you guys the virtual tour in the last video as well, but let me just show you the virtual tour again for just a quick second, And this is the property that looks I'm going to invest in, and it looks like this from inside. And this is the view from the drawing. Yeah, it looks beautiful, right? So okay, let me just take you to the bedroom, and this is the bedroom, and this is the view from the bedroom. My bedroom doesn't look like, it doesn't have a view like it, but I'm investing in a property where we get that view, so it is also mine as well. So this is the kitchen, and this is it has like a washing machine as well as stove, microwave oven, and cabinets. So this is the virtual tour of the property I have shown you guys in the previous video as well, and I will show you guys the next videos as well. If I get any property with a virtual tour, मैं आपको दिखाता रहूँगा. और उसके अलावा मैं जो प्रॉपर्टी में देखता हूँ वो ये 2 चीज़ें देखता हूँ, मतलब मंथली रेंट, हाउ मच आई एम गोइंग टू गेट, और व्हाट विल बी द अप्रिसिएशन, राइट. सो मैं DFC का ऑब्वियसली एज यू गाइस कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, इट्स 947 dirhams in 5 years, राइट. ये कम है इस दुबई हिल से, लेकिन स्टिल आई एम गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन दिस वन बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी नियर. और ये अप्रोक्सीमेट होता है, obviously the property that is near to Burj Khalifa is going to get more appreciation than Dubai Hills because it is like 13 kilometers away. So इसलिए मैं फाइनेंशियल सेंटर में ज़्यादा यानी कि इन्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कंपेयर टू दुबई हिल्स, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा करीब है it doesn't matter appreciation क्या मुझे मिलेगा, क्योंकि obviously I know in next 5 years this property's value will increase, I mean, very fast. So let me just delete that property. I just had it in my card so I can show you guys as well, but I'm just going to remove that. So to add the payment in my stake account, what I do is I have my Wise account because I'm from Pakistan. So what I do is I use Wise to add money in my stake account, and I already have like 6,000 in to show you guys. So I'm just going to, you know, this is the rent and also the bonus. Like when I invested the first time, I've got I got the bonus as well. Like that was around I think like 9 dirhams or something. That is what I got because of the first rent. और साथ जो मुझे first rent मिला था वो भी था, मतलब it's around 17. So that is adding as well. If you want to, I mean, add it in here. That is totally fine. You guys can do that too. और 6 dirhams already मेरे account में है, तो total is 6,017. So that is, I just clicked on the checkbox and invested in 6,000 and investment confirmed. That's it. I mean, it is pretty simple, right? So ये मेरी investment complete हो गया. I mean, let's check my portfolio again. So now I have invested in 2 properties. The first one is 2-bed in Park Ridge C, Dubai Hills, or the second one is DIFC, which is Dubai Financial Center. और दोनों के डॉक्यूमेंट्स मतलब आपको मैं दिखाऊंगा. मुझे इसके डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑलरेडी इशू हो चुके हैं, तो मैं आपको यानी कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं यही आपको दिखाऊंगा हाउ यू गाइस कैन सी इफ यू आर आई मीन द ओनर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी और नॉट, एंड हाउ मच, आई मीन what kind of certificate do you get. So keep watching and thanks for watching the video. Okay, and we'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.